dear students. Our lesson today called congruency. Look at drill one. We have two polygons, A, B, C, D, and the other polygon called X, Y, Z, M. All of us note that the side AB equals the side XY in length, and the side BC equals the side YZ, and side CD equals the side ZM, and side DA equals the side MX. And all of us know that also angle A equals angle X in measure, angle B equals angle Y, and angle C equals angle Z, angle D equals angle M. Generally, to have two polygons congruent, we have two conditions. The first condition is their corresponding sides are equal in length. Their corresponding angles are equal in measure. These are the two conditions for congruency of two polygons. We have three special cases. The first case is the square. All of us know that all squares, their angles are equal 90 degrees. That means if we want to know two squares congruent or no, we want one side to equal the other side in the other square. So the condition of congruency of two squares is two squares are congruent if the side length of one of them equals the side length of the other. The second case, the rectangle. All of us know that all rectangles, their angles are 90 degrees, so we want the two dimensions to be equal in the two rectangles. So look at letter C. That means the two rectangles are congruent if we have the two dimensions are equal in two rectangles. The third case is equality of corresponding sides of two triangles is enough to be congruent triangles. This is because the equality of the corresponding sides of two triangles leads to equality of their corresponding angles. Exercise number 1, put true and false and correct the wrong statement. Letter A, a scalene triangle can be congruent with an isosceles triangle. This statement is false. Letter B, a square of side length 7 centimeters can be congruent with a rectangle of dimensions 7 centimeters and 5 centimeters. This statement is also false. Letter C, the right angle triangles are congruent if the two right sides in the first triangle equal the two right sides in the second triangle in the other. This statement is true. Exercise number 2, join each figure in group A to the congruent figure from group B. Rectangle joined with rectangle, this triangle joined with this triangle, and circle joined with this circle. Exercise number 3, draw a line. Draw a line in each of the following figures to get congruent figures. To get congruent figures. We can draw this line in this figure. Draw this line in this figure. There is no lines here to be congruent. We can draw this line. Here we can draw this line. Here we can draw this line. And here we can draw this line. And finally, we can draw this line. Thanks, dear student.